ChronoViz is a new tool to support visualization, navigation, and analysis of multiple streams of time-coded data. Advances in technology have given today's researchers the ability to collect many sources of data about real-world activity. While this has great potential to answer scientific questions in new ways, it also presents a clear challenge of analyzing this data. A common example is video. Many researchers conduct research by systematic analysis of video of activity. This is often a tedious process of recording time-coded annotations about the activity that is seen in the video. However, in addition to video, it is becoming common to record several diverse sources of information. More and more types of activity are mediated by digital systems that can be instrumented to record logs of activity, and small sensors can be used to record information about the environment and the research subjects, including movement, position, and physiological data. Although digital recording is becoming more common, many researchers still rely on handwritten notes on paper. These notes may be taken during observation, and may be relied on throughout the analysis process. To support research with these diverse data streams, we developed ChronoViz, a tool to support visualization and analysis of time-coded data, as well as integrate with paper-based note-taking practices. ChronoViz can be used to visualize annotations on multiple time-synchronized streams of data, including multiple sources of video, simulator logs, sensor data, and notes taken on paper with a live scribe digital pen, which records timestamps for each stroke of the pen. Here, we use ChronoViz to support analysis of data recorded from a flight simulator. For this simulator session, the researchers recorded 2 angles of video, a stream of data from the simulator, and paper-based digital notes. The timeline below the video shows 3 tiers of annotations about the activity that is seen in 2 time-synchronized videos. These annotations are color-coded by category and displayed in different rows. ChronoViz also supports the visualization of time series data, such as computer logs or sensor data. In this case, we can show data from the flight simulator log, including flight variables such as altitude and airspeed. This is shown as a time series line graph on a second timeline. ChronoViz supports overlaying annotations on top of the graph and filtering to show only selected categories of annotations. ChronoViz also supports the synchronized visualization of geographic position. The path of the simulated flight can be shown on a map. A marker on the map indicates the geographic position at the time that is shown in the video and indicated on the timelines. This marker shows the movement of the simulated flight as the video is played, and the marker can also be dragged with the mouse to move the video to a time point that matches that geographic position. Finally, we can integrate notes taken with a digital pen. These notes were recorded during the simulation and can be synchronized with the rest of the data. The notes appear both as annotations on the timeline and as a digital representation of the page of notes. As the time slider on the timelines is moved, the progression of the notes can be seen. The researcher can also click on particular notes to see the corresponding points in the video and on the timelines. In addition to working with the notes on screen, a Bluetooth-enabled Annoto pen can be used with an interactive paper version of the notes to navigate the data. This can support working in a number of additional ways, including collaboration with other researchers. In the same manner as the on-screen representation, the researcher can tap a note on the paper to jump directly to that point in the rest of the data. The pen and interactive paper can also be used to control playback. Buttons printed on the paper allow the researcher to play, stop, rewind, fast forward, and fast rewind the video. The printed control can also be used like a jog dial, moving the video frame by frame with a circular movement of the pen. ChronoViz is designed from the ground up to be extensible to many types of data. In addition to the data types shown in this example, it also supports working with multiple speaker speech transcripts, importing data from spreadsheets, displaying waveforms of audio files, and displaying sequences of images or video frames. By enabling interaction with multiple synchronized visualizations of data, and exploiting tangible interaction with paper-based notes, ChronoViz increases the power of researchers to explore datasets and answer questions in new and exciting ways.